Okay, y'all, today I'm just gonna do a video on my fragrances to show y'all what I've been wearing all week long, what I've been pairing them with some of my fragrances. So yeah, I just wanted to do a video just to show y'all how I'm blending my fine fragrance mist. Leave in the comments, let me know, what have you been blending with Bath and Body Works fine fragrance mist? Leave that down in the comments. I might try it because you never know, I might have the item. So Monday I decided to blend Poppy, Love Poppy, with Jo Malone Poppy and Barley. Love these two together. I wanted to really play up the poppy in both of these. So that's the reason why I blended these two together, and it gave me more of a floral slash fruity type of scent. Sweet but not overly sweet, more on the floral side. I really like these two together, and I most definitely will do it again. Yeah, I really like these two together, and I most definitely will try to do these two again for sure. So yeah, that was the first scent that I did on Monday. Okay, on Tuesday I decided to do Gingham Love with Commodity Rain because it was raining. So I said, you know what, let me pull Rain out. Just, you know, why not? Just to blend it. And I really wanted to play up on that freesia note in both of these. So that's the reason why I blended these together. This blend was nice, but I don't think it was like my favorite. It was really, really nice, floral like. I got the tester. I mean, not the tester, but the travel size. I'm gonna spray on here. This is the travel size of Rain, but as you do see, I do have the full size. Yeah, Rain is a little bit like citrus. Rain is very much like citrus, like I think it has lemon and jasmine and the freesia, musk wood, has all those notes in it. But I really wanted to play up the floral part of Rain, and that's the reason why I blended it with Gingham Love. Because Gingham Love has that rose note, it has that red berry note, plus the freesia. So yeah, that's the reason why I did these two. It was a nice blend. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I enjoyed it, but it wasn't like my favorite. I probably will do it again, but I think this will blend better with more of a fresh perfume. You know, one that's more heavier on the, not the floral, one that's more on the citrus side, not like an orange, but more of a, like a lemon type, the lemon, the bergamots, because I believe this has that in it. So it's floral, but fresh. So yeah. And again, like I said, again, because it was raining Tuesday and it also rained Wednesday as well. So I did use Rain again, but this time I blended it with Denim and Daisy. When I tell you, this smells so good together. I think out of everything I did this week, this comes in like my top 3. This was really, really good together. Like I said, this has that citrus note in it, the bergamot, the lemon. That's what this has in it. And because of Denim and Daisy, it also has that citrus note as well, but it also has that floral note. These two paired really, really good together. Really like this together. Most definitely will do this one again. Yes, this was just like the perfect blend for me, to me. It was just like that citrus, but still floral. So good, so good. On Thursday, I did Bonfire Bash with Replica Beach Walk. As y'all do see, my bottle is getting very low, but I've had this bottle for a couple of years. I think I've had this at least 5 years maybe. I've been having this for a long time. But I decided to pair these two together. I did not like it. I did not like it. I know this is more of a creamy bourbon, like vanilla. Yes, this is more like vanilla, but to me, this is giving me more like a coconut almost. Yes, Beach Walk gives more like almost like a coconut, but not really a coconut. It's something in this that just made this just didn't work. It didn't work for me. Okay, yes, like I said, it do have a coconut note in this Beach Walk. I love Beach Walk. I really, really do. But for some reason, it just, for me, it didn't blend good with this Bonfire Bash at all. And then I don't know if it's just that musk part or in that bourbon mixed in with the coconut. I don't know. It just, for me, it just didn't do it. Beach Walk has bergamot, lemon, red pepper, ylang-ylang, coconut milk, musk, cedar, all of those notes in it. And for me, something just didn't blend right with this. Even though this has musk, but this one has like a cashmere musk, like a soft musk. And I'm not sure what kind of musk this has in it. I don't know. But something just didn't blend right with this one. So these two I would never wear again together. I just didn't like it. I did not like it at all. So back to the drawing board. Even though this one is very versatile, I just feel like you need more of a vanilla scented fragrance to go along with this, or more of a like bourbon, like what's in it, to go along with this. Even though I love Beach Walk, I absolutely love Beach Walk, it just don't blend well with this one. So that was Thursday. Okay, Friday I used honey Wildflower. Love honey Wildflower, as y'all do see. I'm at the halfway point in this. I think I do have another one. I wish I would have went back to the store on semi-annual sale and got the perfume, but I didn't. It is what it is. So I use this honey Wildflower. Y'all know I love this. And I mixed it with KLE Juicy Apple, Eden Juicy Apple. And I only have like the little travel size one because I really just didn't want to buy the big one until I knew for sure that I absolutely love it. It's just okay for me. KLE Juicy Apple is just okay. You know, yes, it's good to have in your collection, but it's nothing special to me. It's nothing that says spend $100 on it. That ain't what this is giving me. It's just a nice apple, and I honestly feel like, yes, it do smell similar to Country Apple, Bath and Body Works Country Apple body mist, fine fragrance mist. I just feel like this one is just richer. Yes, if you don't want to buy this one for the $100 or this little small bottle for the $25, then you most definitely could go and get Bath and Body Works Country Apple. No, it's not going to last as long as this one do. No, it's not going to be as strong or as intense as this one. But if you just want a very, very similar scent, then yes, get the Country Apple fine fragrance mist because it's very similar. So I blended these two together just because I wanted this Juicy Apple to be a little bit more sweeter. As y'all do know, I love sweet scents. I just do. So I wanted this to be a little bit sweeter, so I mixed these two together and it was amazing. I love it. Honey, Wildflower, and pear. And of course, I don't know the scent notes to this one, but it's supposed to be like an apple. So I wanted that juicy apple. So that's what I got. I got a sweet apple-like scent. Loved these two together. Yes. And again, today is Saturday, the day that I'm recording this. What I'm wearing today is mineral and sea salt. This is the body spray. I actually do have the cologne, but I decided to just do like the body spray. And I added it with Zara Gracefully Madrid is what I mixed it with. And when I tell you this smells so good, oh my goodness, same category. As y'all do know, this one is just like a fresh, clean, mineral spring, salty air, very clean and fresh. Like this is good. This is very much unisex, and this is the same thing. And this is a dupe for one of those MFK scents. I think that Gentle, I don't know, but that was the reason why I got this, and I clean forgot which one it's a dupe for. And I think I recorded and made a video about this one, but I don't know which MFK, I forgot which MFK this is supposed to be a dupe for, but I mixed these two together and it is so good together. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. It's giving me a nice fresh citrus. It is so good. Really enjoying everything that came with this one. So yeah, those were all of the scent blends that I did for the week. So that's my blend for the week. Again, leave down in the comments, let me know, what are you blending together? What was your #1 blend for the week if you usually switch up your scent every day? I don't always do that a lot. Sometimes I will use the same scent all week because sometimes I'm running late for work and I ain't got time to be thinking too much about what I'm gonna mix together or whatever. So yeah, leave that down in the comments. What is your #1 blend for the week? Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on all of my social media, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. And shout out to all of my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always holding me down and having my back. I truly appreciate it. And because of you, I keep posting. So thank you for supporting your girl. So I guess I'm gonna get out of here and I will see y'all in the next video. The next one. All right, y'all. Peace.